This is Bapcha shop in the morning. Bapcha milk bar is already open. My favorite bakery in the morning. Ah, so nice. It's Friday morning. I'm already in Poznan. Here is my neighborhood. The church in the front. So peaceful morning. Dzień dobry. Good morning everybody. Just another day in Poznan. Yes, I'm already back in Poland. Currently the weather is windy. So it's about 8 degree until 19 degree currently. So yeah, I'm ready to go back to school. And yeah, I'm happy to be back to Poznan. So you know, just out from my apartment, seeing the babchas in the milk bar, seeing the bakery lady. It's nice. Yes, that's Ushebie. You're at home. Rine Kesichki in the morning. I'm glad to be back here. The smell of the market. City life. Poznan city life. Oh my god, that's tram number 2. I have to be rush. It's Friday morning. I'm gonna have a field trip in the museum today. Friday. Okay, so in front of me is the Plac Wolności, and that's in front of me is the Museum Narodowe, National Museum. And yeah, this is how it looks on Friday morning. So I'm waiting for the students actually here. So I didn't go back to school and forward, and then we just make appointment that we will have a school field trip to the museum today. And after being in museum, later on I just straightforward go home and I continue my next activity here in Poznan. So I just arrived home after school, and then it's just like 1 p.m. already. I will cook my lunch, just simple lunch, only omelette and rice. And then after this at 2 until at 6 p.m. actually I've got classes, art classes, you know, to meet the new people. I will have a crocheting class with some people. My art class. So and the next class is knitting class like this. I'm gonna make like this.
You're missing one, I think, right? She used to represent Poland in school. Yeah, she's. But if you are in you can
Make like that. Nice.
At the Miskevich, you can use all of this sports facility everywhere for free. You know that, yes? Yes. And my daughter is teaching. Okay, I made them.
Oh, beautiful.
I made it. I made that part.
Cool.
I'm gonna make a hat because I want to start.
Oh, look at this one. It's so pretty. Huh? And this one, winter hat. Zimno chapka. This one, another one. Oh, beautiful.
А потом,
And this one as well.
потом уже
Вытягиваешь, петлю делаешь, а потом две вместе.
And this one.
Поняла, рисовала сложно. Крутила красиво. Всегда пошла бы. И уже
That's so
заморила.
beautiful.
това всичко то
It is not easy, I guess.
Туда можно было как раз не заканчиваться. Подходим.
I'm gonna make a like this today. We are not.
Забыла. Нет,
This one
потом
pumpkin.
настал уже. И где она?
So the next part is like this. Nice. Now we are on the way home. Now I feel like I really live in a big city in Poznan when I see, like a big, tall blocks like this around me. But I still prefer this block and I feel safe generally. So what should I ask for more, kochani? Tak? This is a traffic situation. So we crossing the river, Varta River now, tak, kochani?
Let's see how's the water, how many water is in the river. Is it much? No. A little bit more actually. That is not bad.
Autumn is already coming, tak?
Tak.
That's the sunset. Now we are in Powelska Street, tak? And here it looks the situation.
This is Królowej Jadwigi Street, sayang, but Powiejska is on the
Oh, yeah. But the tram is always at następnej przystanek Powelska.
Yeah, because there is like a corner of Powiejska, obviously, right?
Yes.
Wiesz?
Yes, tak. And that's in front of me is the Noble 9 Tower. Oh, every day going there, 8 to 3. And now we are taking a different road. Quite busy on Friday night, though.
Yeah, it's Friday after 6. I mean, exactly 6 o'clock. Actually. Some people going home, some people going home, but outside of the Poznan.
It's cold. Riding a bike. Maybe it's enjoyable, yeah. So lovely. Koanya, actually in Poznan, yes, there are some graffiti here on the wall, of course, but it's not as messy and dirty, tak?
Just a little bit. But this already is clean. And next one is also clean. And next one also clean.
As we consider this one is the city center.
Right.
The park on the left, on the right side. Yeah.
This fence is even for the construction because they're building something like a hotel or something. And there is little bit of the graffiti, but not that much actually at the end of the day. And there is just the construction advertisement. And then it's like just like this, It's pretty clean indeed, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Many like old design building, but generally the city is clean.
Correct. And it's safe.
The most important thing, I didn't see any silly things. Look, people who are driving bike here, even the Glovo guy wearing a very safe helmet. thick jacket, tak?
That's the thing.
And here is in the city center. Dombrovskego Street. I don't know, I just feeling like, you know, when it's already arrived here, tak, kohanya,
Yeah.
I just feel like, yes, that's UCB.
That's the thing.
You know?
Even, the officials of Poznan, the new slogan of the city is Jesteś u siebie.
I know,
You're at home.
tak.
So that means something, right?
Tak, wherever
That's-
you already arrive here, you feel like, I know, it's just a feeling like safe, homey.
Yeah, but that's why when I came here in December last year, after so many years of living in Poland, I choose Poland for be our home base, because just you feel like at home,
Tak.
Could choose any other city in Poland actually at the end of the day, but I choose Poznan.
But look,
Even the construction here of the Kamienica and is still pretty clean.
babe, I feel like I am in Europe when I see like this. You see? You see? Kamienica, churches everywhere. You know,
Correct.
like this. Look, whatever it is, whatever people said, it's just like European cities like this. Tak?
Yeah.
The building design. Nice. Look at this, the tram station. Look at this building. I pass it every day and then I just feel like it's just home. Welcome home. So we are on the way home.
That's my street.
Look at this clock tower and the statue. So we arrive home. I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.